mga ka-craze, I'm with my best friend and today, mag-i-rate namin yung experience namin here in Yabu. Early birthday. So, it's my early birthday celebration. So, waiting kami. At the moment, pang 5 kami. So, yeah. Single table lang. So, medyo matagal yung service kasi sobrang daming tao. So, orasan namin yung food. Time check right now is tingnan natin kung gano'n katagal sila mag-serve ng food. Pero so far, okay lang naman. Yan yung isa namin in-order. Mozzarella sticks. How much is this?
Mga 335.
Worth it ba?
Yes. Kasi madami.
Mababa siya. First order pa lang yan. This is the sauce that we need to like mix. Sana nyo na ito. Yan na lang pag-mix. So dumating na ang food. Ayan na, kumakain na.
Hindi pa ako kumakain na halo ko pala.
So ito, unlimited. This one is also unlimited. Then yung soup nila, unlimited din. And then yung cabbage. So, sulit na siya for, how much is this again? 405? 405 lang. So, mga gutomera, nagpa-extra rice. So, nakakatawa naman yung service nila kasi when the manager gave me this extra rice, he also asked me if how was the food.
So, ang overall rating ko sa Yabu is 8/10 because nabetchin kami sa mozzarella sticks. So, asahan nyo na yan pag kumain kayo nun. Pero it was a nice experience eating here.
So, nasa grill out kami and I'm here to try the koi, the store. I ordered the popular drink, so sana masarap siya. We're trying the koi do. Hindi ko alam kung paano yung pronunciation niya, pero koi do. So sa kanya, I ordered
Milo.
Milo. Tapos ako, yung bestseller nila na bubble tea. And the pearl is supposed to be yellow, pero ewan ko kung bakit black. Pero so far, sobrang sarap niya, kaso unlimited.
Saka naman kasi kami
Pero kasi yung ibang milk tea shop, diba? Diba yung small na lang? Yeah, at least ganun. Parang yung sa yung sa Starbucks, like, yung tall nila, talagang parang ganito. Pero yung dito, small talaga. So,
baby size.
and I won't say it's worth it kasi, pero pwede na rin kasi we were looking for cafes. So, after namin kumain sa Yabu, medyo na-betching kami, na-umay kami.
So, ang overall rating ko sa Kuwaida is 9/10. Kasi yung small nila, it's really small for 120 pesos. So, hindi ko na-expect yung ganun ka-small kasi yung ibang milk tea shop, yung small nila medyo may kalakihan ng konti. Pero yung sa taste naman, it's really nice. Masarap siya. Pabalikan ko yung lasa. And masarap din yung pagkakagawa ng boba nila. It's kind of chewy na masarap. So, 9/10 ang experience ko dito. Maganda yung service and yes, uulitin.
Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.